The PowerXL Duo NutriSealer can handle liquids and marinades. Let's learn how to properly seal marinated foods and other liquids. When sealing liquids, it's important to give yourself at least 4 extra inches of bag space. When vacuum sealing with marinade, about 2 ounces of liquid is ideal. Place the bag in the alignment bar tab. Close the sealing arm until it clicks into place. Hold the Duo NutriSealer up to help minimize the marinade from interfering with the vacuum process. Press the vacuum and seal button to seal. The light will illuminate. When the bag is vacuum sealed, the light will turn off. Open the sealing arm to remove the bag. It is now properly sealed and ready for storage. When simply sealing liquidity foods, you'll want to again leave about 4 extra inches on top. Carefully place the bag into the sealing chamber, press the Seal Only button, and hold up. That's the basics for resealing with your PowerXL Duo NutriSealer. For more information, please go to PowerXLDuo.com.
PowerXL. Life keeps you busy. We help you excel.